Let's discuss the 5 transporting points. Stomach 36, Zusanli, leg 3 miles. Location 3 June distal to stomach 35, lateral eye of the knee, and 1 finger breadth lateral to the anterior crest of the tibia on the tibialis anterior muscle. How to find? First, locate stomach 35, lateral eye of the knee at the level of the knee joint space. From stomach 35, palpate 3 June, 1 hand breadth down and 1 finger breadth towards lateral by placing the middle finger adjacent to the tibial crest. There, stomach 36 is located in a depression which can be palpated dynamically. Choose the point according to pressure sensitivity, or palpate the lower border of the tibial tuberosity and dynamically locate stomach 36, 1 finger breadth lateral to it. Needling vertically 1 to 1.5 June. Moxibustion is often used on this point. Actions: indication regulates the stomach, strengthens the spleen, transforms dampness, tonifies qi and yang, nourishes the blood and yin, calms the shen, opens the channel. Special features: Hosi point, earth point, bend point, 5 paces point, lower Hosi point of the stomach, Gao Wu command point for disorders of the abdomen, Madanyang point, sea of water and brain point, main point to tonify qi and blood for general weakness, very important point. Major point to tonify qi, blood, yang, yin, and the original qi, very important in all deficiency patterns of stomach and intestine. Strengthens the upright qi, sheng qi, and resistance to exterior pathogenic factors. Brightens the eyes for chronic eye diseases. Harmonizes nutritive and defensive qi and exterior invasions of wind to regulate the space between the skin and muscles. Resolves edema, raises yang for prolapse, expels cold with moxibustion, expels wind and numbness in painful obstruction syndrome, B syndrome. Earth point, Harari point, 7 to 9 a.m. Seasonal Harari point, late summer Hosi point, antique autumn point, point of sea of nourishment, 1 of the 9 needles of returning yang, greater influential point for the stomach and abdomen, lower Hosi point of stomach, Amadanyang heavenly star point, divine objectivity point, immunization point, use moxa daily. Center reunion, particularly point of energy, vitality, and longevity point, stimulates parathyroids. First aid point, nausea, abdominal disorder, food poisoning, travel sickness, morning sickness, acupuncture blackout, if the needles are in the upper body. This is one of the major points in acupuncture and can be considered for many diseases as well as for preventive treatment. It shakes up and nourishes all the officials. It is connected to all the Cs. It revitalizes all the energies. It revitalizes the entire body and mind. This point is restorative and is used to bestow longevity and endure in old age, as well as being effective for declining eyesight at this stage in life. Strengthens nutritive and defensive qi and thus the immune system. Helps keep us free from disease, steps up with white blood cell count when used with moxa, helps to enhance, strengthen, and stabilize the earth. Consider for nausea or abdominal disorders, press with thumb for 4 to 5 minutes to bring up general energy level. One can moxa 7 to 20 times. For any lack of disease and disorders such as lethargy, weakness, especially after a long illness, coldness, or chronic depletion of energy levels, for nervousness or extreme agitation, helps to lower blood pressure. In the classic, it was observed that when used after the age of 30 can change a person's full way of thinking. The author's personal experience of its effect accords with this Ming Dynasty documentary.